Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're here on a move-in cleaning for the customer. We're doing a combo today. It's going to be the hardwood floors as well as the carpet, polyester. This carpet here, take a look with me and we'll take a look at the carpet and also the hardwood floors. So here's the hardwood floors here, going in the walk-in. Here's the carpet. More hardwood. We have the bedroom. Stairs, landing. This is 5 rooms total and 420 square feet of hardwood. This came out to be 725 with all the hardwood and the carpets. So stay tuned and let's take a look. We've only done 3 rooms so far. We got this room, that room, and here's the dirty water. Okay guys, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professional. I just got done doing an intensive floor cleaning with the Lindhaus on both of these floors. And they look okay right now, they look good. Look at that dirty water though. That was the clean side and that's all that dirt and grime. Now I'm gonna go back over the floors with a neutral cleaner and neutralize it because that intensive floor care has a high pH level. So we're gonna bring the pH levels back down and it's gonna give it a nice shine. All right, so now what we're doing, we're neutralizing with our special solution. We're neutralizing the intensive floor cleaner that we use, which has a high pH, and we're bringing the pH levels back down. Rejuvenating these floors. Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're here for the finishing of the move-in, move-out cleaning combo with the wood floor cleaning and also the carpets. So come with me and take a look. It's the master bedroom, closet area. Came out nice. This area here. I don't want to walk too much on it. Stairs. Finishing the hardwood now. That side's already done. Here's the other room. And more hardwood. As you can see, it has a nice little sheen to it. It's sanitized and clean. It looks real nice. It's real good, ready to go. It's still applying it. You can see the sheen on there. We're applying that. Get them back to their natural state. These floors are done as well. They're just drying. Came out great. There was a brown stain here. We got that all the way up. That's up in color. It looks good.